everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Soundcore Liberty 4 NC wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not working, like they're not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. Now if none of this works and you decide to buy a new set of earbuds, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good set of earbuds at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to wipe all of the pairing history so that you can set these up new for any reason whatsoever. It's really easy to do. All we need to do is put the earbuds in the case with the case lid open as shown here, and then we're just going to come in, and we also want to make sure we have a decent charge on the earbuds. Don't do this when the battery is dead on them. But anyways, we're just going to come in and press and hold the button here on the case for 10 seconds, and just keep holding until the LED indicators inside the case flash white rapidly 3 times. This will confirm the factory reset is complete. You can go ahead and release the button, take your earbuds out, and pair them and set them up like a brand new set of earbuds.